Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to get order count for specific date in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Now go to order page. Now you see order with date and you see date September 5th. So we have two order. One is refunded. Now back to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then insert plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snipper. Then you see add snipper. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see order status on hold, processing and completed order status. Now scroll down, now you see date and this is format. So you can add date according to your requirement in this format. Now scroll down, you see insert method shortcode. Now select it and then you see shortcode. Please save the snippet first. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Scroll down, you see shortcode. Now copy, go to page, now paste and then click on update. Now page update done. On top you see view page, so open it. Now you see order count for specific date too. Now go to order page. Now you see we have two order processing and completed. One is refunded and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.